Intel 5th Gen Xeon Platinum 8580 Emerald Rapids CPU leak, 60 cores, 420 MB cache, 350W. Intel Xeon Platinum 8580 CPU benchmarks and specs leak, 60 cores with 420 MB cache and not even the top config. Starting with the specifications, we already know from Yuki_ANS's previous leak that the Intel 5th Gen Xeon Platinum 8580 CPU was set to feature 60 cores and 120 threads. These cores are based on the Raptor Cove P-core architecture but come with massively increased cache sizes. This chip is a dual chiplet design with 30 cores on each die, and each core comes with 2 MB of L2 cache for up to 120 MB of L2 cache. The whole chip also features 300 MB of L3 cache, which combines to offer a total cache pool of 420 MB. That's a 2.6x increase in cache versus the existing Sapphire Rapids CPU lineup, and while it still doesn't match the 480 MB L3 cache of standard Genoa, or the 1.5 GB cache pool of Genoa X, it is a good start for Intel to catch up. The company has already stated that it plans to roll out 3D stacked cache designs across multiple product lines, and that would further close the gap with AMD. As for this specific Intel Xeon Platinum 8580 variant, it is an ES2 SKU using the A0 silicon, and clock speeds are far from final. The chip was running at 2.0 GHz clock speeds in a dual-socket server, so you're looking at 120 cores and 240 threads. The motherboard is part of the existing Eagle Stream platform since Sapphire Rapids, and Emerald Rapids are socket compatible and make use of the LGA 4677 socket with 16-channel DDR5 memory support. Due to lower ES clocks and poor BIOS optimizations, the performance is a tad bit slow at the moment, but it should be expected and not compared with the final variant. Intel's 5th Gen Emerald Rapids CPUs for Xeon data center segment are expected to debut on the 14th of December, and bring with them a range of improvements such as up to 3x larger LLC cache, increased memory speed, higher CPU core count, up to 64 cores, CXL Type 3 high bandwidth interface, workload optimizations, Intel AE, optimized power mode, up to 17% general purpose per watt increase. Offload CPU cores with Intel accelerator engines for power efficiency. Huge performance boost across inference and training. Intel AMX for built-in AI acceleration. Out-of-box deployed with optimized SW stacks. The 5th Gen Emerald Rapids Xeon CPUs will be the last family on the Eagle Stream platform, before Intel rolls out its Birch Stream platform, which will be getting Sierra Forest E-core CPUs with up to 288 cores and Granite Rapids P-core CPUs, in 2024.